Hello, it's Word of a Mom, and today I'm bringing a different product to you than my normal, shoes and fashion and things like that. And I was going to save this for my new vlog, which is Snowflake with Wings, and it's basically about, autoimmune disorders and eating healthy and things like that. But since I haven't really established that too much yet, I figured I would bring this to Word of a Mom and get you guys going on, what I have to come later. But here I have this Tuscany olive oil, extra virgin olive oil that was made in Italy, and it was actually harvested there, and it shows here, like the date and everything in which it was made. Now, if you are into cooking and things like that, such as I am, the quality of your olive oil and the quality of the things that you use is very important for taste and very important for, the outcome of your dishes. And this is one of the greatest olive oils that I found, although there is a lot of great products out there. But this one, you can actually order online. You don't have to go to the grocery store to get this one. And I thought the texture and the quality of this was great. This also goes great with some balsamic vinegar, and I wish I, had the one to pair with this. But this one goes good with all of them. It was made and the date it was harvested, and it has like a serial number and stuff, which I think that is great to have on a product like this, so that way you know exactly when it was made, how old it is, how great it is, and and that also affects the quality of its taste, just like wine. But of course this is olive oil. Now it has a pour spout right here, which is important so you don't pour too much. So I thought I would just introduce this to you, and later on in my blog I will include some recipes and stuff that I have used this with. So please check this out. I'll leave the link below so you can find this and the other products made by this company. And I hope that you like this as much as I liked it. I'm sorry, I just had to share this with you guys. And as always, like and subscribe, and stay tuned because I will have a vlog and a blog coming up for, healthy eating and dieting and things like that. And this will also be included in that, and I will tell you more about the recipes and things like that. Thank you for watching.